So this is my friend Tom.
Oh,
Tom is an amazing woodworker. I've known this guy for 30 years.
At least.
And he's getting tired of woodworking, and I cannot believe it. When I show you his stuff, you're going to say this guy has got to keep turning. Are you going to keep turning, Tom?
Sometime eventually.
You better, man. You're just too damn good.
But I got a lot of kinetic sculptures to do first.
Yeah, he does these little sculptures in this yard. You know how beautiful those things are.
See them go?
Yeah.
So I asked Tom if I could do a video of some of his work. And not only did he make that little bench right there, but he's made a lot of wooden clocks that are absolutely amazing. He stopped doing wooden clocks because he said they didn't keep absolutely perfect time, but I think they're just incredible pieces. Look at this little collection of bowls. He went from smaller to smaller to smaller to smaller, all the way down to this teeny tiny little bowl. And he's got, this is a sampling of some of the turnings he's got in his house. And every single one of these things is a work of art, but it's also a mastery of thought processes on how to turn these things with all these voids and all these different woods. Tom is a master. He really is, and I've known him a long time. I used to belong to the South Bay Woodworkers Association. That's where I met him, and he always amazed everyone in the club with a new, absolutely impossible turning. I mean, how do you do something like this? It blows my mind, just every one of these things just, I'm in awe of this man's skill. He's about 83 years old right now, and he's kind of switched gears. He's making these kinetic sculptures out of metal. I sure hope he doesn't give up on the wood turning, because he has reached maybe he's reached a plateau. Maybe he doesn't think he can do anything better. This is a challenge to you, Tom. I think you can do something even more amazing than what I'm seeing here, which would be hard to do. Look at this stuff. Just, I wanted to share this with you guys because I'm a woodworker, but I can't believe that I could do anything quite like that. I spent the day working in his property. He had this Chinese pistache, Pistachia chinensis, and this is a species of tree that is recognized for failure. And this tree is full of splits. We actually put 3 straps up in here that we were able to pull the tree back together, but this tree is really on its last legs in terms of structural integrity. And without those straps up there, maybe we should swap them out for cables, but I was kind of needing to pull everything back together, so I opted for 3 straps. Big splits. And that's what it looks like when we're all done. Took a lot of weight out of this tree. As a matter of fact, I took a few minutes to shoot a little video of just how many branches we took out of this tree, but we still left it looking very, very presentable. It's a matter of getting enough of the future weight out of the tree so the tree can basically survive. And look at that, it still looks really, really good. Now I want to contrast our tree with the neighbor's tree. This is the way the neighbor had their pistache pruned. What's going to happen now? The way it was topped and rounded over will lead to massive suckering on the top and will require annual pruning. Whereas a natural shape, like the way we did it, should go for years before it needs to be pruned again. So I want you to do me a favor and tell Tom what you think of his work and encourage him. Encourage this guy not to give up on his wood turning. Hey, thanks a lot. You guys be safe out there.
When I show you his stuff, you're going to say this guy has got to keep turning. Are you going to keep turning, Tom?
Sometime eventually.
You better.